As found, 2004, only these four connectors. M13, M14 for the 2004, 2005 models, and then the connectors for down below that really are MFD related. As found with a 071 model, though oddly the tag on this one, so somebody's been in here before. This is the nav for the 0405 model. So what we're going to do to adapt a latest model, which is a 47260, which I think 2009, but it's the exact same pretty much model, which is more common for the nav for the 06 to 09. We're going to go ahead and power that on. We're going to use this adapter, which uses the pinouts, commonly found online, and I'll show in the video here, edit. And basically, instead of, the easiest way is just take this original connector and remove the pins and replace them so they're like the 2006 to 2009 positions. Another way, though, if you want to, if you can find a female connector of these, you can just rewire so it's easier for people that don't know how to remove these pins out of these sockets and then put them in different positions. Okay, with that plug and play connector as shown plugged in, we see this 60 ending model, the 09 technically model, but 0609 similar model. Now it's functioning, so we can control our climate, tempi, blower settings. So that works great. The only difference is, let's check out map. So the external system's not connected, so there's not going to be the nav. And keep in mind, this is only connecting the M13. M14's not connected. So no rear view camera, which doesn't come with this car. There's no hands-free Bluetooth. And there's not going to be the nav. You'll be able to get in there and do all the other functionality that you want to do. With audio, you're still going to have audio controls. So audio, your other controls, you'll be able to get in if you have anything stored in here, trip info, all that functionality is retained, other than rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth, and navigation. That requires a little more customizing in order to have that functionality, and possibly with this model package 04 that I'm testing on, or an 05 equivalent, that might not already be present as a package for. So okay, oh, and you can see the screen turned off. That's something that you go to set in the settings. So I forget what that is actually. I think it's like screen off or something like that. Forget how that works. Anyhow, okay, that should do. Be safe, stay healthy until next time. Save, save, save. Learn something new, and Christ be with you.